everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's Irina here with a new and exciting topic. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite dishes that is delicious and has helped me stay healthy and away from all those unhealthy foods such as cakes, creams and cookies. I will be using chia and basil seeds for this dish. Both of these seeds are highly nutritious and provide good fat for your brain, healthy fiber for your gut, and proteins for your muscles. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make mango basil chia pudding. So chia comes from the desert plant Salvia hispanica, which is a member of the mint family. And it originated in Central America or Mexico and was a part of the staple diet of the Aztec. It has gained popularity because of its high omega-3 content and all the dietary fibers and vitamins and minerals present in it. Now let's talk a little bit about the basil seed. The basil seed comes from the Thai basil plant. It is pretty popular here in India where it's called the sabja seed. Its nutritional values are similar to that of the chia seed. It's just that the omega-3 content is a little lower and the dietary fibers are a little bit higher. Here I have some soaked chia seed and some soaked basil seed. You may have noticed that the basil seed has soaked a little bit more than the chia seed. This shows us that the basil seed soaks and absorbs more water than the chia seed in less time. Now that we've learned what the chia pudding is and some of its nutritional values, let's make the chia pudding! Before we begin, make sure you take a look at the ingredients list given right here. 1 mango, 1 banana, 4 strawberries and grapes, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon basil seeds, a handful of nuts, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, half cup soy milk. Now that we have taken a look at the ingredients, let's make the chia pudding! So next, I'm going to be cutting the fruits. Chechi here is helping me cut the fruits. I'm starting with mango. We have to cut the mango into very small pieces so that it's easy to mix. So next, we're going to cut some banana. I'm cutting some strawberry to add for the garnishing and some flavor. But if you don't have strawberry available, it's totally fine. You can leave it out. Next, I'm adding some half-cut grapes also as garnishing. So, now that we've cut everything and set it in its place, let's begin to actually mix everything. First, I'm going to add half a cup of chia and basil seeds. Next, we're going to add 1 bowl of fruits. Next, I'm going to add half a cup of plant-based milk. Then I'm going to add maple syrup as my sweetener, but you can add any other sweetener of your choice. I'm adding 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to give all of these ingredients a mix. Now that you've mixed all the ingredients, you want to let it set, just leave it still for about 5 to 7 minutes so that all the flavors can mix in and becomes a great seed pudding. So now let it set for about 5 to 7 minutes, and now it's ready to add some of the toppings. You can add any toppings if you like, or you can leave the toppings out. But I'm going to add some strawberries. Next I'm going to add some cut grapes. Then I'm just going to sprinkle it with some nuts. And I'm going to add a little bit of chia seeds just as garnishing. And there you have it! Chia pudding! A delicious dish that replaces all those unhealthy sweets such as cakes, creams, and cookies. And the best part is that it's really, really healthy!